you. So start your Power BI if you have not. Now I have everybody on the same page, right?
Right.
That's beautiful. I love that. Love that. That's when I enjoyed the class. Okay. Please, once again, there is no stupid question in this class. There is no stupid question in this class. Every question is welcome. I love you all, both boys and girls, married or unmarried. I love all of you. So feel free, question, challenge, whatever I'm saying. It's all money. Please, please. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Great. So, well, my own Power BI has upgraded, but don't worry. You should have this in your screen. My own, it has already been connected already because I've used it over and over and over and again. So yesterday I told you, now click on File, Open Report, Browse. Are we together? I hope I have not missed anybody. File, Open, Browse. Are we together?
Yes, we are.
Yes,
Good.
we are.
Locate your all files folder. This all files. Forget about any other thing before my own. This thing you downloaded in your folder. Locate all files. Double click on it. It's going to bring this PA300.
So,
Take me.
sorry, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
I'm listening. I'm listening. Hello. I'm listening to you.
Yes,
You are breaking. Olusho, you are breaking. What's happening?
able to. Is it better now, please?
Yeah, it's better now. I can hear you now.
Yeah, I just want to confirm which of the email do we use for signing, please?
You didn't say you don't have a mail now. Your work. I expect that it means your work email. Non-Yahoo or Gmail account mail. Anyone you have that can connect. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
It's only the people that indicated challenges that are attended to.
Okay. Okay. I'll use my work email. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead and do that. Go ahead. We are not going to commit any crime. So can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So you follow me on your files folder, you have your PL300, double click on it. You have lab. Okay. I told you that this is the simulated lab on Microsoft side, but I have bring it to our system. This is the only time we are going to follow these parts, because everything I want to do here, I will only be making use of one folder. So double click on this first folder, that's lab 1. Prepare data with Power Query in Power BI Desktop. Double click on that. Click on starter folder. Okay. Double click on sales analysis. It's going to open it for you. Okay. If all things being equal, you will see sales analysis Power BI Desktop on top. Is that what you see? And everything will be blank like this. Is that the way your screen is?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, and I've explained to you that you will back up what you are doing. The expectation, the thought of Microsoft is that you're continuously working, and again, I keep reiterating to you, you don't own your data, you are a custodian. The only thing you own here is your expertise, your understanding of Power BI, the understanding of how to manage your Power BI. The content, the data is not your own. So then even the question that you're answering, the management question that you're answering is from business analysts and the management. So you don't own it. So yesterday you work with your team of business analysts and some executive directors, they requested for something from you, you generated dashboard for them, and you save and you go home. 12 midnight, one of the board calls you, say, oh, data analyst, man, sorry for waking you up mid of the night. I have a presentation to the board tomorrow, and they want me to add these sales. They want me to add these parameters to the dashboard we have yesterday. Follow the scenario I'm painting. They want you to modify, they want you to pick what you've done yesterday and continue with it. Again, you must back up what you've done yesterday in case the guy made a mistake of passing information across to you after you mess up with your backup. And the time will not permit you to roll back. But when you've already back up, simply go to your backup and continue there. I hope I'm communicating that so that I don't waste much time there. So first thing you are learning here is you click on File, Save As. So it's going to bring up this. Drill down to your, go back to your all files, PL300. Inside your PL300, there is my solution there. Double click on that, my solution. And yesterday, I asked you to create 2 folders. By default, you will see sales analysis in that, my solution. Ignore it. Create a folder, active and backup inside the place. First step is double click on backup and save that your sales analysis file here and say yes. I am saying this is the current position I met my work this morning. You save it there. Now for you to continue your work, click on file. Okay.
Sorry, sir, was that active or backup? Sorry, I missed that step. The folder you saved it.
Yeah, you don't have it in your own.
No, I have both of them. Was it active? You want us to put it? Oh,
you
backup.
You save in backup first. Backup first. Yes. So
thank you,
when you are okay, no problem. When you are through with your backup, click on File, Save As again. Save As. Okay. Go back to your my solution this time around. Go back to my solution. A step back. This time around, save in active. Active. Okay. Then click on Save. It's going to replace what you have there. Do you want to replace? Yes. Okay. Forget about the second file you see there. So when you save in your active, then you are now ready to work. You are ready to work. I want to marry everybody here. I want all the men are girls now. So all of you, you are my friends now. Do I have everybody together in the same bucket? Do you understand?
I can't find the backup folder that you have.
Did you create it in my solution?
Oh, we should create it. Okay, that's fine.
Yes, let's quickly do it. You can pass through your Explorer. Let me do this way. No, not this. Come in. Go to your Explorer. File Explorer. Locate that all files. So let me quickly look at the shortcut for myself. Forget about what I'm doing. I have a lot of things in my own. Locate this folder in your own, all files. This is what I'm supposed to have. Double click on it. You will see PL300 there. Double click on it. Then you will see my solution. Double click on my solution. Right click inside my solution. I expect to see 2 things: sales analysis and placeholder. That's what I expect you to see there. Right click inside it. new, click a folder, label it active.
Sorry, right click inside which one?
Inside my solution, did you follow what I'm doing?
Yes. So I have placeholder and says analysis. Which one? should
Good.
I click in?
Then right click inside the empty, right click empty space there. Have you done that? Calm down, my
Yeah.
lady. Calm down. You understand it. Just hold on a bit.
Mhm.
You have these two folders in your own, placeholder and says analysis. This is what you have, right?
Yes.
Good. Now click the empty space inside that Explorer and press your right click and you will see this. Did you see this?
Open with code.
No. Right click. If it's Windows we are using, oh, if you are using Windows 11, you're supposed to see new. Something
Yeah, I
like
can
this.
see new.
Point to the new and click on folder.
Yeah.
Click on folder. It will come up like this.
Mhm.
Now label it active. Label it active.
Yeah.
And click outside. It's going to create a folder active for you. Is that done?
Yeah.
Good. Now right click again. Second time.
Mhm.
Go to your new. Pick another folder and now label it backup. Have you done that?
Yeah.
Good. Minimize
six.
your Explorer. You don't need that Explorer. You've already started your Power BI before, if you have not done it. And I said click on File, click on Open Reports, click on Browse. It's going to come up with this. And I said drill down to your all files, this folder in your own. All files, double click on it, and you will see pair 300, double click on pair 300. You will see labs, double click on labs, double click on 01 prepare data or Power Query in Power BI Desktop, double click on it is a folder. You have another folder there called starter, double click on the starter, and you will see your sales analysis there, double click on it is going to open it. I don't want to do it because I've done mine.
Yeah, I've done it.
You've done it. So I will when you have done that and you open, it's already open in my own. Click on file.
Wait, sorry, I have a problem.
What's the problem?
Oh, so it shows a new folder, but it just says like an unexpected error is keeping me from like creating a folder for like active and backup. So like when I right click, there's no new. I can share my screen if you want.
Certainly, right?
Yeah.
Are you using Windows 11?
Yes. 8th generation, yeah. I think so, yeah. But there's no new. It says new, but like it's not working.
Okay, hold on. Share your screen. Let's see. Let's be fast. Sorry, class. Let's carry Sultani along. Do I need to stop share before you share your own? Let me stop share.
Yeah.
Go ahead, share your own now.
Okay.
Please, no stupid step, no stupid action. Don't blame yourself. Good.
Okay.
Okay. This is my solution. Yeah. No. Cancel this. Yeah, in the folder. Cancel this. Yeah. Right click empty space. Right click.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've right clicked, but like there's no new.
Hold on.
Show more options.
Show more options. Click on show more options. Was it? No. No.
Have you unzipped? You've not unzipped the file.
You did not unzip this file.
Oh, okay. So I have to unzip like all files.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Did you create a folder for yourself? Go back to you are loading it inside download.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay, click on your PC.
Oh, on Power BI.
This PC beside here, click on this PC. Look at your left-hand side. There is a
Yep.
this PC. Click on it.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, I saw you created data analysis folder now.
Yep.
Click on inside that.
Yep. And then all files is here.
This one is the open file. Now double click on this. Double click on my solution. Double click on my solution. You've already created active here before now. Right click now. Let's do the second one. Right click.
Okay.
You went to the wrong place. So new, see new now.
Oh, new. Okay, thank
You
you.
are folder. Backup.
Okay, thank you.
Backup.
Okay, thank you.
Press enter.
I'll stop sharing.
No, don't worry,
Sorry.
don't worry. Don't worry.
Yep.
Now minimize. Go to your Power BI now.
Okay.
Go to your Power BI. No, minimize this.
Oh, sorry. What
Minimize
do
this screen. You've
Oh,
not started
minimize the
your
screen.
Power. You've not started your Power BI.
No, he's not sharing his own screen. He's only sharing this window.
Oh, okay. So 1 moment.
Have you started your Power BI?
Yep.
Okay. Stop sharing screen. Okay. This is your Power BI now. Click file. Okay. Browse reports. Okay. Go back to all file. Okay. All file. Okay. Double click this. My solution. No. Labs. Sorry. Back.
Okay, labs. Okay.
Click on labs. The first one. Okay. Click on starter folder.
Yep.
Double click on sales analysis.
Then press open.
Click open, yes.
Yep.
No, open it.
Yeah, I've opened it.
Okay, it's loading it for you. Okay, good. It has opened it. Look at this analysis Power BI. Click on file. You want to back up now? Click on file.
Okay, click on file.
File
Okay.
menu. Now this time around, save as. Click on save as. Click on save as. Look at save as.
Yeah, I can see it.
And click on it. I can't see your mouse. What happened?
Okay, you see it?
Click on save as on the left hand
I
side
have.
here.
Okay, let me do it again.
I didn't see your screen again. No.
File, save as.
Yes, it's supposed to bring out save as, then locate that my solution, locate that my backup, and click save inside. Have you stopped sharing?
No, I haven't stopped sharing.
I can't see your movement. What happened? Your system freeze up or what?
Oh, sorry. 1 moment. Oh, sorry. Can you see it now?
I can't see it. Can you stop sharing and share back again so that I'll quickly do
Okay.
it? Okay, share back again. Sorry, class.
So while we're waiting for Sultani, the placeholder folder, when I open the save as tab, it doesn't show on my
What does it show? Click on,
play-
okay, hold on. Sultani, click on save as now. Yes, that
Yep.
one. Okay, it brings all this folder. This time around, go back to all files. Come out of click that place. Good. No. You may not even need to go to all files. Okay, click on all files, all 300.
Okay.
You just need to move back a step. Click on my solution now. My solution. Then click on backup this time around. Backup. Double click on backup.
Yeah, I've double clicked on it.
There's no sales analysis here, no problem. Click on save. Save.
Oh, but there's no items here when I
Don't
press
worry.
back up.
Don't
Just
worry.
press save. Okay.
Click on save.
Okay.
So
Apply.
it has saved. What is it? There are pending changes. Do you want to apply them? Click apply.
Okay.
Well, see apply. We've not done anything. Click apply. You start working now. Okay, you've
Oh.
gone ahead of us.
Oh. Oh, wait, it's ahead.
You've gone ahead of us.
Okay, sorry. Should I stop sharing my screen now?
I hope you are not going to confuse yourself.
Oh, I didn't think so. I
Okay.
don't think so.
Minimize then. Let's all that matters to me is you back up, then you now save back, you follow the process again, click on active. So that you will now work on that active. Stop sharing.
Okay.
You jump
Sure,
ahead
okay,
of
thank
us. Godwin, do you still have an issue?
I can't find the placeholder folder. It's in my C drive.
Please share your screen. Share your screen. Share your
Okay.
screen. I saw somebody, Nick, in this class. Have I met you before?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see my screen?
Yes. Okay. Expand your Power BI very well. Expand your Power BI. Okay. You've opened your Power BI now. I can see.
Yes, I have. But when
And
I
now say click on File, Save As. Click on Save As to back it up.
have already backed up.
Okay. Okay. And then which problem are you looking at? Don't you have
I cannot find the placeholder folder.
which placeholder are you talking about?
You know, I've seen that other people have got another folder here called placeholder.
Forget about that one. If you are already inside Power BI, you will see that's a test folder.
Oh, okay, okay.
If you go to your Explorer, you will see it.
Yeah, it's there. That's why I'm
yeah. So since you've already done the needful, cancel.
Okay,
Don't waste
okay.
your time. You
Okay.
cancel.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Stop sharing now. Let's move on. Sorry for rushing you. I
No
want
problem,
to maximize time. So let me share my screen now and move on.
Sorry, I've not done mine.
Who is that?
This is Miriam. I do apologize. So I was just trying to save it. Back
Click. Oh
on.
yeah, share your screen. Let's quickly see. Have you created your active? I can see backup here.
We back up now.
Okay, click on. No, cancel. There's nothing to cancel this thing. You've opened your sales analysis, right? Click on, then save as. Okay, go back to your, okay, go to PL 300. Double click on my solution. Double click on backup. So save now.
Yeah, so now I was hoping it would go to send to backup.
Hold on. Click on file again. Twice now. Click on file again. Save as. Shegun, you asked Oluwaseun, are you in this class? Go to my solution. Go back to my solution. Mariam.
Yes, I am.
Click on that. Double click on active now. Double click on active. Okay. No. You are true. Cancel this. You've already saved inside that place. So you are working inside the active, your current place. Sheon, I can't accommodate you in this class. Follow me what I am doing, because if I want to accommodate you, I'm going to waste time of others. I put it on the Telegram. If you have issue with your login, you didn't respond. So follow what we are doing. I have a beautiful girlfriend among you now, Juliet, and Dayo too. Dayo is my, this also, all the ladies are my girlfriend, all the boys, close your eyes, oh. I marry all of them. Now let me share screen. You don't want the boys, you don't want the guys to be annoyed, have you? So can you see my screen now? Great. So let's move on. Sheung will sort yourself tomorrow.
Okay, so thank you.
We will make backup of this file now. So the next thing is what we want to do is we want to get data. We want to get data that we want to analyze. So how to get your data? Click on home. Look at home on your menu bar. Home. Can you see home? Okay. Under this home, there is this SQL Server data there. SQL Server. Can you see what I point to in my own? Hello, be responding to me.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, you can
So,
see it.
Click on this. I've explained to you in a theoretical class that you can get your data from various number of sources. In this class, we want to make use of two sources. We want to make use of SQL Server and CSV file. Okay, good. Now go and open your SQL Server Studio. Go and open your SQL Server Studio if you have not. If you have done that, signify. Is our SQL Server open?
Loading.
Loading. Please, when you come, anyway, don't worry. So forget about what you have on my screen. So this is what I expect to see. This is what you have in your own.
Sorry,
As-
Mr. Ebenezer. The
Ma?
SQL server, is
Yes.
it the SSMS setup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mine is still loading. So
No problem. Patience. Is anybody bearing patient in this class? How many girls do I have in my class? Juliet is a lady. Aminat is a lady, right? Dayo is a lady. Mariam is a lady. How many girlfriends here? See? SQL Server. It's going to bring up SQL Server Management Studio. Management Studio 19. Supposed to come up, then you click on it.
Okay, I've seen it now. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
so I've got the pop-up window asking me to connect. Will I just go ahead and connect?
Yes, go ahead and connect. A pop-up window that you are talking about will bring something like this for you. Like this.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So click on connect. Are we all in the same page? Can I move on? Hello, class. Can we move on?
Yes.
Good. So when you connect, I want you to do two things here. Open a notepad. I see some of you are not, when I give you an instruction, please do what I ask you to do so that you allow you to flow with my class. Open a notepad. When you see, okay, some of us that have clicked on connect, go back to this on your SS Studio. You will see connect here like this. Click on that connect back. Click on it. It's going to bring up this. Click on database engine. Then you will now bring this one up for you. Everybody, do this now.
I think we've done it before. We saved it before. Huh?
Okay. Then copy this. Look at what is inside your server name. Copy it and put it inside this folder. That's your server name. Call it server.
We did
Done
this
it before,
once.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, we did it
Okay.
the last few lessons.
Okay, great. So to people that maybe do not understand that, when you finish that, Another thing, just cancel because I've already connected. Right click on this Adventure Works 2020 and say rename. Rename. Adventure is only one database that will be your own. Adventure Works 2020. When you say rename, it's going to select the name, copy what you have there, go to that your notepad again, type database, then paste it there like that. Save it in the folder of your all files inside it there. Save it where you can always come back to it. Save as, locate where your all files is, all files, and save inside. I'll call it server details.
Sorry, Mr. Ebenezer, I didn't get that.
Did
Is
you
it
get-
different from what we saved before?
It's not different. It's not different. It's still the same thing. You see, I'm only doing it in case some people have mixed up their own. That's all. Is that clear? Do you
Because
understand me?
I only have username and server name.
No problem. See, oh,
Okay.
username. Is it username we have?
That was what you said the last time.
That was what I said. Hold on.
Yes, we copied our server name and the username. We saved
And
it
the
on the,
username.
yeah, we
Yes.
saved it on the
Okay, this
notepad.
one. Okay, thank you. No problem. You are still correct. But you can see add your database name now.
So what's the step for that, please? I didn't catch that.
This one, okay. Go to your connect back again,
Okay.
database engine. You have to type this one and look at your username. The moment I pick Windows Authentication, do you need username? Don't worry, just keep your database name. When we get there, I will guide you.
Sorry, you've confused me now.
Calm down, calm down. Don't worry, when we get there, I will confirm what you're supposed to keep.
Okay.
This file, just save it and say server details. That's all. Server details. I will correct that one when we are moving on. And put it inside your, yeah, forget about my long line. Forget about this. Inside all files. Put it inside the all files. Or conveniently for me, let's put it in my solution where your informations are. Save it here. Okay? But your notepad is still on your system. Now, let's come back to our Power BI now. Whatever confusion, just calm down. We'll correct it here. On your Power BI, you've already clicked on SQL Server. And this window is on your system, right?
Right.
Yes.
Okay. If this window is on your system, go to that your notepad, select server name. Only what you copy. Mine is DAPO EBS SQL Express. Right click, that's my server name. Minimize. Okay. And paste. You have that there. Are we together?
No.
Was it? Tell me.
Is this after connecting or I can't find this page anymore?
Let me cancel this. Don't worry.
We are back on Power BI now.
Come back to your Power BI that you open. Can you see my screen?
Oh, Power BI. Okay,
Come back to
sorry.
this one.
Sorry. I get it now. Sorry.
Please calm down. You know it. You are highly intelligent. You are beautiful and intelligent. Just calm down. Just calm down. So click on, look at this button that I have here, SQL Server. What you are doing here is that you want to get, let me give you background so that you picture what you are doing properly. Your management has come to you as a data analyst. They told you we have data, we want to analyze our sales for 10 years. Okay? They've given you all the details of information they want. Now the question is, you now want to bring this data to your Power BI for analysis. So you launch your Power BI and you have your screen like this. You launch your Power BI desktop, that's the first step. The second step, the data they want to analyze, you've already discussed the business analyst and database administrator. They've confirmed it's on SQL Server. That is when you open your SQL Server here. They open it and say, oh, Juliet, this is the data, this is where the data we want you to analyze is. They show you the database. Having understand that, you now they give you connection to it, you now minimize, you come to your Power BI. Oh, I want to get data from my from my SQL Server. How? You now click on your SQL Server database. This is how I will go to pull information from SQL Server database. You click on this, and it's going to bring this menu for me. It's asking me which of the server, which server do I want to get this data from? What's the name of the server? You now come to your this name of server, you now copy it. Or if you don't have that before, you can bring up your SQL and say connect so that you can database engine so that you can see the server name. Okay, just minimize. If you follow me, then you now paste the name of the server you copy, and that's the name of your server. It's asking me another question. Which database do I want to work on? You can see in my own environment, I have about 5 databases there. I have AdventureWorks 2016, AdventureWorks DW 2020, AdventureWorks LT 2017, Portfolio Project, SQL Tutorial, Database, Tailspin Choice 2020 US. These are how many databases there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. I remember one of the company I work for, I have about 130 SQL database. In another organization, I have about 250. Depends on how big the organization is. Okay? So at this point, which of the database you want to analyze from? That is why I copy database name here, AdventureWorks 2020. You copy it. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
You now paste it here. That's your database. Import, meaning that you want to bring data from that database to your Power BI query. Direct query, this is when you want to write a script, a query to pull the data. This is not for this class where you can exploit it, but this class is not, this method is not to be dissipated inside so that we don't distract us. To fast mind, you can check how to write query to put data in. That one of these I can show you. So you leave it at your imports. Am I communicating? So you look at your default import, then click OK to connect to the database. So it's bringing up my window. If all things being equal, it's supposed to bring up a window like this for us.
I have a different window.
What's different?
It's saying it wants me to connect to something, like use my current credentials. Shall I share my screen?
Share, let me stop. Oh yeah, share screen. Let me see what you are doing. Who's that?
Juliet.
Juliet. Go ahead, share your screen.
About to. Okay. I don't know if let me enlarge it. Can you see my screen?
It's still loading.
All right. Okay. Let me.
Okay.
Sorry, I've got a lot of things open. I'm just going to minimize stuff. So yeah, I'm talking about this window here. This one.
Cancel this thing. Cancel this thing.
Okay.
Bring up your SQL. Let me see SQL screen.
Power BI.
No, not Power BI. SQL screen.
Oh my God.
Okay. Click on connect. Click on connect.
Yep.
Click on database engine. Okay. This is your database name. Sorry, this is your server name.
Yes, that's what I used.
Where is your notepad?
Here.
Open it. Open your. Okay, this is your notepad.
Yes.
Server name is this. Hey, hello. Okay. Adventure Works. Oh, doesn't your Windows authentication is there now? Okay, minimize this page. Go to your. Click on connect. Don't worry. Click on connect.
Okay.
Probably. Oh. Okay. Now click on the plus sign beside your Adventure Works D2020. Click on this plus sign. Click on the plus sign beside security.
Security. Yep.
Click on plus sign beside plus users. Okay. Where is your Windows account?
This one here at the bottom.
No. Is that a Windows account?
Yeah, there is. Yes.
Okay, that means the username you use to log on is DN card. Click on it or right click on it. Right click on it. Click on property. Property. Click on membership. Membership. Okay, DBO now. Click DB reader. Check DB reader. Please, others, don't worry, it's just to solve his own problem.
This one, data reader.
Yeah, click OK. Yeah, okay. Click OK.
Okay.
Now, close your security. Close your security.
Yep.
That's click on the minus sign of that security. Go and go to your. Hold on. Right click on my Adventure Works, the database. Right click on it.
This one.
Yeah, right click on it. Click on property.
Properties.
Click on permission. Click on permission. No, not that one. Click on option. Sorry, I want to be sure. Click on option. Let me see.
Yeah, done that.
Hold on. Let me check something on my own system. I don't think I'm getting what I'm trying to figure out from you. Security, login. Right click, property, general mapping. Sorry. Cancel this page.
Okay.
Okay, right click on, go back to your security. Go back to your security. Go back to users. No, not the security. This one is inside your database. The one below. This one. This one
this
below.
one.
Yes.
Okay. No, I lost this one.
Drop down of login. Login.
Okay.
Right click on then right click on that. Properties.
Okay.
Click on user mapping. Click on user mapping. Okay, you are good to go. Cancel this plate and go to your Power BI. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, excuse me, Mr. Ebenezer.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was following what you were doing with Juliet, but I had to quickly attend to my baby. So I got to where you told her to click on options. By after right clicking on.
Don't worry about what we are doing there. It's just I'm checking something. I want to be sure something is right.
No, because I have
Except if you have a problem with your class. Let's follow.
Yeah, I think she's having a similar challenge.
I have the same issue.
Okay. Then hold on. Let me see. Click on SQL Server. Just hold on.
Okay.
Click now. Yeah, it's loading.
I've clicked. Yes, it's loading.
Yes. Bring up your notepad. Okay. Copy it. Then go and click your database.
And then
Click
just
OK. Click OK.
yeah, still bringing this up.
Yes, use the current credentials.
Just connect.
Yes, click connect.
Okay. Oh,
We are unable to connect the database using an encrypted connection. Who is saying now? Cancel. Who is talking of encryption? Cancel. Is there anywhere? I'm coming. Hold on. Use my current credentials. Why is he saying it's encrypting your data?
That's the same thing coming up on mine
That's
as well. Yeah, Mr. Benedict.
does it have
It
anything
shouldn't
to do
be.
with the sign-in details that we used?
Okay, do something. Let's
Mhm.
click use alternative credentials. Let's see.
Use alternative credentials.
Type the username that you know the password that you use to log on your Windows.
Yeah. I can
Okay,
use
copy
username.
this, copy this. Type it here. Type your password. Let me see.
I think that's the problem. I
Am
use a
I-
PIN, not a
Eh?
password. I use a PIN. A
Go
4.
ahead.
Yeah, okay.
It's not supposed to ask for connect. Let's see if you are true.
So let me try another one. Hold on. Nope.
Don't do that again. Go back to your Windows. Don't try third time. It's going to might lock it up. I don't want that.
Okay.
Click on use my current credentials.
Mhm.
Is it not that's what you use to log on to your Windows?
You mean the username?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the username, yeah.
Okay, I shall select which level to apply these settings to. Which settings? Minimize. Okay, select the lower one. Let me see what happened. Click on it. Let me see.
Still the same.
Why is he asking for encryption? You are
Like-
unable to connect the database or using.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you already. Apologies. Oh, let's start again.
Oh,
Uh,
you shouldn't be. We didn't set encryption anywhere, did you?
no, that's it.
Bring your SQL up. Let's see. Wow, I don't.
Okay.
You shouldn't be asking for encryption now. Click on connect. Let me see. Click on connect.
Mhm.
Database engine.
What is it to do with this?
No, Windows authentication within. Did you select any encryption when you are installing this thing?
No, none at all. Not that I remember anyway. So,
How many people have the same challenge again?
I do.
I did, but
I
I
think it's-
clicked on okay when it got to the inscription. Sorry, inscription.
Then did you connect?
Yes.
I have the same problem.
Did you unconnect?
No, it did not.
Come in. Click on.
I think
go
mine
back.
has connected though.
Oh,
Yours
mine
has
has connected too.
Yeah.
Okay.
oh, okay. Let
It
me
says
try.
navigator.
So
Okay.
did you
Can't-
just use the password that you log in with?
Yeah, and I just clicked that okay after the encryption.
Okay. Let me
Can you try?
try. So server name again. Just copy.
You have it there. That's the navigator there.
Where?
It's under it.
It's under this, it's under the one where you are typing now.
Just come off that one.
Cancel.
And you cancel this.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that's it.
Oh,
Ah, it's already connected now.
oh, I
Jesus.
don't know what happened. Sorry. I'll stop sharing now.
Okay. Okay. Class, no, don't worry. It's
I'm not
part of the.
I'm not able to connect yet.
I mean, now share screen. Let's see.
Okay.
What's the issue?
Hold on, I'll share my screen.
Share screen. Share screen.
Yeah, doing that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Your database. Your database.
Hold on.
No, go back to your SQL server.
This one.
Right click on this. Right click on that adventure works. Rename. Rename. Copy that name now.
I did that already.
Control C, then minimize. I expect you to put that name, put that in Notepad.
I did that. I did all that already.
Then click OK. So wait. We encounter error while trying to connect. It is was successfully established with the server, but then an error occurred during the login process. The certification was issued by an authority that is not trusted. How did you log? Is it not your Windows?
It is.
Why will he ask you this? Why will he be doing this?
I don't know.
Cancel this thing. Cancel. Go back to your SQL. Man, go back to your OK. Click on connect. Let me see what is there. Database engine. Windows authentication. Okay, cancel this. Cancel this. Go to the security below. The below security no, the next one below. The next one, yeah, expand. Login. Right click on your username there. Right click on it. Property. Click on user mapping. You already map. Adventure work. It should work. Click OK. Minimize again. Minimize again. Hold on. Let me see. Connected to this analysis. Click on SQL again. Let's see. Click on SQL. Put your server here. The database name. Okay. Paste it here, okay. Enter. Hold on.
Let me just close the Power BI and restart it again. Maybe that will help.
Okay. Please do that. Please do that. Then we can always retrace your step. So stop sharing and let me so that we don't waste the whole of tonight.
Okay.
Let's continue. Stop sharing.
Done.
Okay, we can look at that later. Okay, now that we are here, in the school, let me continue the class now. I accept Adeoye. I expect everybody to be here. So these are the tables in your database. Okay, in SQL Server database window in the server box, and where we've crossed that part, their own is the default manner is in localhost. Okay, okay. Okay, use my current credentials. We've done that, we've done that, we've done that, we've done that. So now,
Can I share again? My Power BI is up now.
okay, try and connect. Let's see. Try and connect. Load on, connect to your database. Let's see. Have you done that?
We are putting in the credentials.
Eh? Put your server name and your database name.
It's still the same thing.
Okay, we'll look at that. That screenshot, copy that screenshot and send to me. We'll look at that later. Let's go on. Just follow the class. It's also recorded. Okay, now these are the tables in this database.
Sorry, I can't find mine anymore. Where do I find it?
How?
Yeah, I had it on my screen and I can't find it.
Share your screen, let's see. Check on your tax bar. It should be. Do you have two screens?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. If it's not there, click on SQL again. Maybe you cancel it.
No, I didn't cancel it.
Check your tax bar. If it's
Where is the tax bar?
no, you probably it should be on tax bar. Probably cancel it. Click on SQL Server. Don't worry. SQL Server.
Okay, to do it again, yeah?
Yeah. Click on SQL. Yeah.
Okay.
Put your server name. Hey, Mariam, you didn't load Excel analysis here now.
I did.
You didn't. See on title. Do you open another SQL? Do you want to open another Power BI?
Yeah, I think so.
Eh?
I think so. Let me just close it.
Cancel. Cancel it. Okay. Close this. Don't save.
Okay.
No, I didn't say stop sharing now.
Yeah, stop by second.
Click on the cancel I have here.
This one.
Yes, click on it. Okay. What's happening? You open another, wait. You went to open another Power BI. Hold on. See, you've already done it. Click on SQL here. SQL Server. Please, let's concentrate on this class.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, click on it. Put your database, server name and database name. Okay, the database. Hold on. No. This is a square bracket that you copy. Paste. Take that your square bracket out, please. Okay, click OK.
Yeah.
Okay, stop sharing. Please, class, let's concentrate. Okay. Now, this is the beginning of the journey of analysis. You now want to, they've told you that you've identified the data you want to analyze with. In this class, we are going to analyze with we are going to analyze with the first table we make use of is click on, don't check this table, but click on this name here. Click on this, just click on the name. So it's going to show you the content of the table. Okay, this is the beginning thing, that this is where you are examining the data they want you to analyze. You are looking through, you are looking at the headings, you are looking at the fields. What is bold up here is called field. To some of us that has database understanding, you call it field or a column. The reason why you are examining it, not all the time, most of the database administrator may not give you a descriptive field name. You must ask them the meaning of those fields and the information captured under them. That's why you are examining them. Am I communicating? Another table that you might likely look at is you might look at dimension accounts. Here is another table. Okay, you can look at each of the table one after the other for you to examine which table are you working with. Am I communicating? Hello?
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So as you are clicking on the table, on the right pane, you are seeing the preview of the table. So the preview data allow you to see the columns and the sample of the rows. This is row. Okay. Okay. Column is the vertical. Horizontal is the row. Okay. So to create a query, select it. We want to make use of, remember the data you want to analyze is coming to Power BI as a query. So each of these tables will be turned to query for you to use. So to create a query, I want you to check these following tables. Look at the table I'm going to check. Can you see I'm checking now? DIM employee. Check this. Locate DIM employee sales territory. The next one, check it. DIM products. This, check it. Then reseller. Check it. This one. DIM sales territory. Look at the DIM sales territory. And fact reseller sales. Scroll down a bit. This is a fact reseller sales. Count, how many tables did we select here? How many tables did we select?
6 in total.
6 of them. Apart from there, who is not with me again? Are we all on the same page?
Yes, we are.
Okay. If you're all on the same page, click on transform data. When you click on load, you are loading the data directly to your Power BI. Transform is, I want to make changes to some of the content of this data. So you click on transform data. So some of us that understand analytic information, there is what you call extraction, transformation, and load. You call it ETL.
Okay.
Has anybody come across that name before?
Yes.
Okay. The same thing that you are doing with ETL is what you are doing here. Extraction is you are bringing it from the source. Okay. Transformation is what I'm trying to describe at this junction now. Transformation is what we want to do here. Sorry. Transformation is what we want to do here. That's my volume. That's my menu bar. Okay, this is my menu bar. Okay, so transformation. Now, when you click on transform data, it's going to open what you call Power Query Editor. This screen I'm moving around is called Power Query Editor. Can you see Power Query Editor on top of it?
Sorry, Mr. Ebenezer, mine didn't transform.
What happened? You click on load. You didn't do what I asked you to do.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear when you said click on load. Okay.
Do that. On your screen, there is transform. Go and click on transform button.
Yeah, I've seen that. Thank you.
So it's going to bring this one back again. Okay. So now complete this task by clicking done that. It will open a Power Query Editor. I've shown you what is called Power Query Editor. And if you want to write application on this exam, you can ask all those questions. This lab is only intended to connect to the show and profile the data, but not to transform the data. We are not going to transform the data today. Preview the data in Power Query Editor. We want to preview it. I'm going to run through this one. This task introduces the Power Query Editor that I've shown you. In the Power Query Editor, at the left, notice the query pane. Look at the left-hand side. What you call table in SQL is calling it query on your Power BI. Query. And it's telling me I have 6 queries. Your own should be 6. You add dim employee, territory, product, sales reseller, sales territory, and file reseller. That's the 6 queries you have. Is that what you have?
Yes.
Good. If you select the first one, dim employee, it's going to show you all the columns there. Look at your dim employee. Look at the first column, employee key, employee, parent employee key, that's field, employee national ID alternate key, see, look at the column names you have there. This is the same way that when your business analyst and management is asking you to analyze, this is the way you are going to examine the information they are passing across to you. And you must make sure, if you don't even understand the whole of the field name, you must understand the content of the information they want you to analyze. Okay? And again, look at each of the field. Let me point out something. Any field name in Power BI that has 1, 2, 3 beside them, that is a whole number, an integer number. Am I communicating? Any field you have 1, 2, 3 on the left side of the field name, that means the information there is integer. Are we together? Look at your first name. You saw ABC there. It means the content of this column is string. That's group of characters. Okay? Some you can't name style. Is holding a false. Okay? Look at another one here where you have a higher date. When you see this symbol, it means it's a date column. Date column. Take note of those things. And you see, so I think that's the most important one. But I have some special one towards the end. When you see almost a table name, can you see? Look at this. it's showing me a symbol of a table. It means this column is linked to another table. It links to another table. It means this column here is linked to another field when you see a value. So take note of that thing, take note of it. I don't expect to understand all the technicality, but before following my explanation. Whatever I explained to you here is replicated to all other tables. You will see your integer. Oh, there is a field I have not seen. Let me go to product. There is a field I have not seen. I have seen integer, I have seen string, I have seen date. Aha. This is a numeric, a currency value. Okay, that's why you have a dollar on the left-hand side, currency value. Forget about the number, you see, aha. This one is a float number. When you see 1.2, it means it's a float number. It's a number that is a number that can have a decimal place. Okay? So that is all to pass across to you there. Now, when you look at those things, at the bottom left, look at the bottom of your table. Your preview is telling you in this table that you are looking at. Let me go to dim employee. It's saying I have 33 columns here and 296 rows. And let me tell you, your Power BI, in case when you want to analyze a table that has about 1 million records, Power BI will not load all the 1 million records. Whatever you are looking at here is on the memory of this computer that I'm logging in. So it's not going to load 1 million records into the memory of your system. It's going to load it in batch of 1,000. And that 1,000 will replicate, is going to sample the content of the whole of that 1 million. So nothing is mixed up. But we are lucky. This one is saying I have 33 columns, 296 rows. Okay? It's telling me that column profiling based on top 1,000 rows. Am I communicating? So when you click on each of the tables, you will see this one has 4 columns, 39 rows. This one has dim product. It has 4 columns, 606 rows. This one dim reseller. It has 22 columns, 71 rows. Sales territory, 10 columns, 11 rows. Fact reseller says, this is the largest. This one is saying I have more than, when you see 999 plus, it means it's more than 1,000 records. Okay? And it has 21 columns. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Good. So take note of your query name on the left-hand side. Take note of all the columns that you are seeing, the field name. Then take note on the right-hand side, you see properties there. Okay, under the property, you see name, you see all property, apply steps. We'll make use of all these things as it progresses. Any question? Any question? Okay. Another thing you need to take note of is in the data preview pane, scroll horizontally to review all the columns. When you scroll horizontally, you will see all the columns displayed. Can you see that? Okay. Now, notice that the last 5 columns contain tables of value. I've shown you that. Okay. Let's move on. To access column quality, you want to look at the quality of the information gathered or captured in your column. Okay. On the view ribbon, come to view here. From inside the data preview. Okay. Look at your view. Look at here, under it, you have your data preview.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to confirm. So the query editor,
yeah,
it opened up as a separate window from the main Power BI window.
Yes, it opened as a separate window. Yes.
Okay, because yours looks like it was the same, but
it's not the same. See, it's just because I'm dragging it. It has the same heading as others. It's not the same. Can you see it's different now?
Okay, I can see that now.
Can you-
Thank you. Yes, yeah.
Okay. So look at column quality here. Look at column quality. I will check this place, click here and see what happens on your screen. What do you see? Can you
Shows
see the top of,
shows level of validity error and empty.
yeah, it's telling you the properties of the cells of your column. Valid 100% means you capture this, your record, according to specification. Error, no error. Empty, no empty. Every field is filled up. So the same thing, the next one. Let me scroll on. So it's telling you the quality of, you can examine the quality of your data from the quality. But look at other months. Look at this column, other months. I have only valid 91%. It's telling me there is 9% empty. All these columns you are seeing as null, they are empty. It doesn't contain data. So it's telling me on this particular column I have 9% null. Am I communicating?
Sorry,
Yeah.
sir. How did you get to column quality?
Okay, on your
view.
on your menu bar, click on view.
View, yes. Okay.
In your data preview, you see column quality here. This.
Yes. Okay.
Good. Take note of. These are things you do to confirm your data is okay, to confirm that your data is not messed up. These are what you want to examine. These are your job as a database, as a data analyst. You want to examine your the information to analyze that they capture proper data. They are not giving you number instead of string. So that is, you need to examine each of the columns. Then there is another column I want to show you before I leave. Okay, look at your minimum payment type. 81 is valid, 19 is empty, that is null. Look at your mini payment amount. Only 27% is valid, 73% is null. That is, they didn't capture it, they only capture few. Okay, so that is that. Let's go to game employee. I think I have a column I want to show you.
Sorry.
Yeah.
When I tried to click on the little button there, I could not get the options you got when you did click on it. Like the dim amount.
I'm trying to get what you are saying.
Okay.
Are you on this page I am in? Are you here?
Yes.
You are here. Okay.
Yes.
Click on dim employee.
Oh, right.
You can click any of them. You can click any of them. You can click any of them. Then your column quality is affecting all tables. Then the next thing is I now say click on view. View menu. Because we want to see the quality of information in our tables. Then I now say uncheck
I was
column
on
quality.
dim sales.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So are you okay now?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So there is another, I want to show you information here. Okay. No. Look at position. Only 6% is valid. Only 6% is with record. The rest, they are with no record. Okay? Good. So these are the way you share the quality of information in your data. Let me uncheck it. So the column quality feature allows you to easily determine the percentage of valid, error, or empty value found in columns. Notice the position column has 94% empty nulls. I've shown you that. And let's take note that, let me show the quality. only 6% is valid. Now, the next thing is to access distribution on the view ribbon from inside the data preview. Check column distribution. Uncheck this, click on column distribution. What does it mean? You want to see the spread of your data. Okay? Can you see? When you have distinct, when you have the number of distinct equals the number of unique, it's telling me there is no empty record in that. All the records in that column is unique, no duplicate. That's the meaning. When you see your distinct equals to unique. Okay? Here I have 4 distinct, that is number that are unique. Okay? But I have 4 unique there. 4 unique numbers. I have 48 distinct, but only 4 are unique, that they are not repeated. There is no repetition. Distinct is different from unique. Distinct means is a whole number, it stands, it's a whole number on its own, but it can be repeated. Unique says is a distinct number, but does not repeat itself. In a record, when I have, okay, let me look at this. Can you see these 2 screens? Can you see the top and bottom? 112, 112. 112 is a distinct number, but it's not unique. It has another 112 here. Okay? So a distinct is a determined value but can repeat, but unique cannot repeat. Am I communicating? So all this column distribution will tell you the beauty of your information, of your table. Okay, let's look at position column again. Let's look at the review of position column again in DIM employee. Can you see? You have 4 distinct numbers, only 1 unique. All others one are null. If you scroll down your position, can you see your sales representative? Only they are repeated, but there are 4 items when you look at it. Click the arrow down here to see your distinct. Can you see sales director, sales manager, sales representative, and null? That is the distinct you have there. Okay. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on. I want to jump over these ones. So I have this. So each of the query has 1 row. Look at your DIM products. Each of the row has 1 record per product. Okay. So then let me let's look at come here. I want to look at your DIM reseller here. The reseller means salesperson. There's 1 row per each of the resellers. So to view the values on view ribbon, reseller said distribute or value added to AdventureWorks products. So to view column values, let's look at our column values. Click on view. Okay. Click on column profile. Look at this column profile. Can you see your column profile? Column profile is giving me details of your columns. Any column you pick is giving me the detail. It's telling me in this column, I have 71 rows, I have 610 distinct number, I have 562 unique numbers. So that's what it's saying. Let's go and select business type. Look at your business type. Look at what you have there. Okay. Let's look at the column quality. Select the, under the business type, select the arrow down there and see something. Look at all the values you have here. So I'm trying to show you something. Okay. So look at under your, look at something here. Look at warehouse and warehouse. They are two different content. They capture wrong data here. So we will correct it. Okay. We will correct it. Okay. So that's what I want us to see. Okay. Look at your, I was trying to see column profile. Look at your column profile. It's telling you the value distribution in your business type. Can you see? It's telling me that I have these are these are the value added. Look at the value added reseller, special bike shop, you have a warehouse. This thing is captured wrongly. We'll correct it later. Good. Quick one before we round up. That is all about what you do about your data. So now, let me uncheck this, uncheck this. Okay. I want to bring the rest of my data CSV file. Okay. So click on, this time around, I will come back to home. Hello class, are we together?
Yeah.
We'll also round up this class. So click on home. I want to add a new query. I want to add more query to my 6 queries. Okay. Inside the new query now, click on home. Look for your new query here. Can you see? Okay. Click on new source. The arrow there, click on the arrow down here. So it's going to list all, it means I want to pick another source away from SQL. So click on test CSV. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. If we are together, scroll back a wave to your PL300.
Over here, it's asking me to connect. Do I connect?
Where? I ask
Like,
you to click on new source. Look
yeah,
at
then
this.
text CSV, yeah.
New source.
Yeah.
Text CSV.
Yes.
It's not supposed to say connect again. No. Maybe you
Well,
disconnected. So you
no.
come back to PL300. If the folder is not there, you locate your all file folder to make it easier for me. Your all file folder, this folder, locate it, double click on it, PL300, then resources, double click on these resources. So it's going to list this file for you. This is the way you save your CSV file. And the first CSV file I want to bring to my query is the seller sales target. Double click on this. And it's going to show me on the pane again. Can you see it? It's going to show me on the pane again like this. Click OK so that it will be added to my query. To be added to my query. Okay? So now look at
Sorry,
your
Mr. Ebenezer. Mine took me to Excel.
How?
I clicked on CSV or something.
You're supposed to click on text/CSV this.
Yeah, I did that.
Click
And
on
then,
this.
yes, I went to P300.
And I ask you to go to PL300. Look at, you go to all files.
Yeah, I did that.
PL300 resource.
I did that.
And it's going to list something like this for you, correct?
Yes, I had that.
Good. Then I said click on reseller sales target. That's the first one. Click open. When you open it, it's going to show you something like this. No, I can't take it back to transfer. Just click OK to add it to your query environment. You can see your query is now 7, correct? Okay. Notice that no column contains empty values. When look at all your no column contain empty values. Look at it, all of them, they have hyphen. All these columns, they are hyphen. There is no empty value in this record. Okay. When there isn't a monthly sales target, they put hyphen character there. Reveal the icons in each column header to the left of the column. The icon. So look at here again. We have an integer 1, 2, 3. Integer 1, 2, 3. This is character ABC, 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 ABC. This table hold only integer and character columns. Then look at your, go to view, look at your column quality. Can you see? Look at your column quality, 100% valid. Okay. 100% valid means say all columns capture information properly. Look at the column distribution. Let's say the size of distinct, the size of unique you have. And finally, column profile. Look at the column profile. So let's see the analysis of the content of information there. So we are going to repeat the same thing on check your column distribution this and this. So we want to bring another CSV file, color format. So come to your home, new source, text/CSV, then you bring your color format. So this is your color format. Okay. Click OK to add it to the table again. Then the last,
You said we should add.
click on source,
Yeah.
test CSV,
XGSV.
then you pick your color format, this,
Okay.
and you click open. So by now we have 8 queries.
Yeah.
8 queries, right? Okay. In this task, we've completed the lab. We've completed the first lab now. On the view ribbon, from inside the data preview, that's your view here. I've unchecked all these 3 buttons. Okay, I've unchecked them. Okay, then on that I've done, save the Power BI file when prompted to apply pending changes, select apply later. So we are going to click on, click on file, click on save. So it's going to bring up this. Click on apply later. Apply later. Apply later. So all we've done, so you can close your transform query. Do you want to apply your changes? Say not now.
Okay, so we're not
Not,
saving anything just now.
you did though. When you say
Apply later.
click on save. Okay, you say apply later. It has saved all these your columns inside your Power Query for the next lab. For the next lab. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The only thing we did is to examine the queries. We've not done any transformation on them. Okay. We will not be able to do that today. This is to 12, which I stress you today. So click on close this X, and it's asking you, do you want to apply your changes now? Say not now. Okay. So it's saying apply changes. Leave it. Don't touch anything. Just close the window. Okay. When you open your, if I want you to hold on your Power BI till our next class. If you are loading it like this, fresh, so yes. Okay. So if you go next time, you click on file, open report, browser. This time around, instead of go to all files that we went to initially, that is lab. We are not going to go to lab this time around. You will go to my solution. Under active, load sales analysis. That's what you would
do that now or again next class.
No, I'm just demonstrating. Don't bother yourself.
Okay.
He's saying, can I apply changes? Tell him not to apply anything. Okay, click on file, save as. Here this time around, come to my solution, backup. Save, replace, yes. Apply later. Still leave everything as it is. Okay. So the second one that we will do next week is save as. Come to your solution, active, save. Taking from where I was coming from. So apply later. So this is the way you bring it up next week. Any question for me?
Yes, please.
Please do. I thought you have question, none?
Yeah, can I share my screen for you to see?
Please share your screen, let me see.
It's not giving me permission.
Mr. Ebenezer, you need to stop sharing first.
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
Do I stress this class today? Do I stress you?
No, it's fine, but I just got a bit lost here.
Okay. Cancel it. Cancel. Click on X, yeah? Cancel. Okay, you want to add more queries. You see how, okay, you have 2 more to go. New source. Okay. Go to your all files. How is your all files? Twice. Double click on this. Click on resource. So the first one we are bringing in is the sales target. Double click on it. You can double click or click open. It's supposed to bring up information for you. So this is your sales target. So you can examine the content here before you load it. So it's telling me that these are year, employee ID, this is the content of this information. Click OK to add it. Okay. You can now see it has added the second one for you. And look at all what we are explaining. Instead of keeping empty, they put hyphen. So there's no empty record in this database. Okay. Go for new source. Let's bring up this second one, new source. Share CSV. So color format. Click open. So it brings up your this. Now copy your color format and click OK. So it has added my 8 queries now. So, and I want to save it. File, I click on File, Save. See your save here. So click Apply Later. Apply Later. Okay. That has been done. Okay. Close this your transform query. Look at the X here.
Where?
Look at the X. This is just too big in your screen. Abi? No, hold on. Where is my Power Query? Oh, click on this Y button. I am clicking your system as if it's my own.
I should click on what?
Look at the white bar. Click and drag it now. And
Yeah,
that one, hold down your mouse. It's not moving.
It's moving, that's it.
Okay, and then your screen is freeze. So close it.
This Power BI.
No. The X button below, okay? Yeah, this X button, the middle one, yeah? Yeah, close it. Click. So say not now. So we apply those changes.
Something went wrong.
Something is not went wrong. Don't mind. Cancel it. Don't mind it. It's complaining I didn't save. Close up Power BI is good to go. Don't answer it. Close up Power BI.
Okay.
Yeah. So any other question? So that brings us to the end of today's class. Sorry for stressing. You were supposed to cover two topics. but because of the setting we are doing for people, we'll see how we can catch up the next class. This will catch up for our window or our Monday class, yes, Tuesday's class. Click X, don't answer a cancel. We'll recover on Monday. Just go and close up Power BI and leave it. Any other question, team?
It says, do I want to save?
Don't save it, don't save it, don't save it.
Just a quick question, Mr.
Please go ahead.
Ebenezer. On the Power BI menu tab,
Yeah.
there's get data, and then also when we were trying to first of all get the data from the SQL server, we went to the SQL server icon to pull the data. Is there a difference between the two, using the going through get data and then this other one?
No difference. You're going to give me it's going to give me the list. SQL is still here, but SQL you are going directly to SQL here. This one is listing all the sources for you. Microsoft published common one. You can see it said Excel workbook, SQL server, and you saw the other place is showing me records. So it's just Microsoft manipulation.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Force this guy to don't recover anything. The guy want to corrupt the file we saved. You can close it from your this thing. Close it from your runtime tax bar. Any other questions? Stop sharing.
Okay, yeah, I wanted to ask something, Mr. Ebenezer.
Please go ahead.
So there was while we were working in the Power Query editor, there was a particular data that it was written table where it said it means that the data is linked to another table. So there was the next column beside the table. The data in that column was written as value. You mentioned something about it. I didn't quite get it, so I wanted to be sure.
About value.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the quality of the value captured in your database. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. By the time we are doing transformation in our next class, we will get it better.
All right, thank you.
Okay. The next class is going to be load, transform data. Please, I will appreciate if you don't have any issue, leave your Power BI as it is. Just close it. Okay? Only people that have issue should last Juliet. Juliet, let me see what you can. Let me see. Oh, Aminat, your hand is up.
Yeah, because I was not able to do anything today. I still have the same issue.
I asked you to send a screenshot to me now. That's the.
Yeah, I sent it to the Telegram group.
No problem. I will look into it.
Okay, thank you.
Before your next class, we'll set up your. Any other question? It's already late. This is 11 for you, and some of you will be going to work tomorrow, and some of you have babies. So let me call it a day here. We'll continue next class.